Hi, welcome to Attainable Green. I'm Jess, and today I want to share with you my local Orchid Society's Summer Exotic Plant and Orchid Festival. It's my first time, and I'm so excited to share this with you. Supposedly, it's the beginning of show season here in Southern California, and this is my first stop. As always, there are lots of phals, oncidiums, and calleas in bloom. The vendors were so nice, sharing their growing experience and advice on how to get the best out of the plants. It was pretty cool seeing which plants are in bloom this time of year. Sure, some are artificially coaxed into bloom, but there are others that are free flowering in the summertime. I definitely love the variety and array of colors of the flowers. Not only were there orchids for sale, but there was also succulents, cacti, carnivorous plants, and just a whole lot more. I saw some succulents and a few cacti. There were small terrarium plants too, ferns, lepanthes, and such. I saw some unusual bromeliads with spotted leaves. There were a couple of variegated houseplants and tillandsias too. The maroon pitcher plants were a hit in attracting interest, since we're used to seeing green varieties and other carnivorous plants. There were also staghorn ferns, dragon fruit trees, and some I don't even know the names of. If you're looking to get your hands on some lesser known hybrids and species, then this is the place to be. Large stanhopias, blooming cymbidiums, and brightly colored vandas caught my eye from afar. A couple of stands specialize in growing these, and you can tell by the health of the plants. They were almost too perfect. As you get closer, the miniatures gain just as much attention. They were so cute and delicate. Who could resist? Andy's Orchids had an amazing selection of these tiny plants with many unique features. I didn't even know that the world of miniatures was so vast. I wasn't really looking to pick up any more plants this time around. I admired the way the plants were presented, and it gave me some ideas on how to better display my orchids. I liked how some of the succulents were displayed and even some of the orchid arrangements. I had a big oops. There was an orchid and bonsai display, but I wasn't able to go and see it. This was my first experience at a local orchid show, and it blew my mind. I had no idea the diversity and array of plants that were available to the hobbyist grower. I thought for sure all of these had to be grown in a climate-controlled greenhouse or something, but I learned that many can survive and thrive in a home environment with a few accessories. I didn't realize how dedicated these plant enthusiasts were. There were so many people filling their carts full of plants, and I guess it's one of those things where if nurseries aren't close by, you might as well get them at the shows and stock up, right? It was also nice to see how the plant community builds lasting relationships. There was an older lady talking to a vendor, and she was negotiating the price, but they were also joking like old friends. It's little things like that that make me wish we had more of that going around, where we treat each other like humans, building positive, friendly relationships instead of having a solely transactional experience. I guess I'm just more used to the millennial experience where we buy everything online so we don't have to talk to a real person, like ever. It's different when you're at a show. People genuinely seem interested in helping you find what you're looking for and answering your questions without feeling rushed or pressured for a sale. Maybe this is what it's like in small towns, but for a city girl like me, it's very unusual. Only recently, I've learned about orchid shows and orchid societies, so it's all new to me, and I'm definitely intrigued to learn more. Have you been to an orchid show, or are you part of an orchid society? And what's it like there? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content like this in the future, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Attainable Green for more content and ring the bell to be notified when the next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!